Now, Ghana on Thursday registered 4 new cases of COVID-19, bringing the total number of confirmed cases to 11 a week after the first set of cases were confirmed. The first update was announced by President Akufo-Addo at a breakfast meeting at Jubilee House.
All of us are aware of the havoc the coronavirus pandemic is wreaking across the world. It is changing our very lives as we know it, and is leaving in its wake deaths and economic difficulties, and is spreading fear and panic throughout the world. The World Health Organization, WHO, tells us that some 180,000 infections and some 7,000 deaths have been recorded from this pandemic. We also learned, sadly, on Wednesday, the 3 Ghanaians living abroad have lost their lives as a result. With 9 confirmed cases of infections, we might count ourselves as being amongst the countries least hit by the coronavirus. Nonetheless, the rapid spread of the disease across the world has led us to institute a number of measures to help ensure that our nation is adequately prepared to combat the spread of the pandemic on our shores.
Well, details became available subsequently on the Ghana Health Service website dedicated to disseminating information on COVID-19. Updated a few hours ago with 2 more cases, bringing the day's total to 4 and the total number so far to 11. Here is what we know about the 4 cases. So one is a 56-year-old man, a Ghanaian who traveled back to Accra from a trip to the UK about a week ago. The second is a 33-year-old Ghanaian who returned to Accra from a conference in the UAE. And then there's also a 59-year-old Ghanaian woman resident in the United Kingdom who recently returned to Ghana and currently living in Kumasi. She reported to a private hospital with a history of fever and temperature of 39.1 degrees Celsius, general malaise, cough, and runny nose. Their condition was suspected to be COVID-19. A sample was subsequently collected and sent to the KCCR, and the report was received early Thursday morning as positive for COVID-19. Now, the 4th case is a 61-year-old Lebanese male trader and resident in Kumasi. He also felt unwell and reported to a health facility with fever and cough. The sample tested positive for COVID-19. All the cases are being managed in isolation and responding to treatment according to the Ghana Health Service. So far, the confirmed cases in Ghana are from Turkey, Norway, Germany, France, United States of America, United Kingdom, and United Arab Emirates. The Ghana Health Service, since it started its updates, has always stated that the cases registered in Ghana are imported. It was, however, silent on the case of the Lebanese trader in Kumasi. Now, with regards to contact tracing, a total of 399 contacts have been identified and are being followed up. But then, 19 of the people who developed some forms of symptoms after coming into contact with the 9 people who have been confirmed so far have had samples taken for laboratory testing. Laboratory results for 15 of them were negative for COVID-19. The Ghana Health Service says it is awaiting results for the remaining 4. Now, let's take a look at the global picture and what the situation is around the world. And we're going to the Worldometer, where it gives us an update as to the number of coronavirus cases. All right, we'll be sharing with you the Worldometer a bit later, but